So our car battery died. We had to buy a new battery, but that just turned into a new discovery. I found out that you can use a singular panel connected directly to the car battery. So I'm gonna be using that for my off the grid when I'm at the farm and I need a charger and things like that. But first, I need to go buy a panel. So join me, I'm gonna take you guys to the solar shop. Ironically, cloudy day to be talking about solars, but we have so much solar energy available, like it's the sun, guys. We should not be paying electricity. So if this gives you any inspiration to just walk into a solar shop and inquire about prices, you're on the road to financial freedom, which is exactly what we moved here for. So inshallah, you get a lot of information from this video. For example, I want to know how much a hot water heater will be. Hey. Hey. Oh, I thought it was a part of the solar stuff. Okay, that's a whole nother day of shopping. Hi. We have like 2 or 3, and you can actually just reuse them, sell them. I think they sell them for $5, but we're gonna use it the proper way. Bermelaway. Are we too late? Oh, I'm a newbie for Bergil. I thought it'd be available. Anyway, okay, what to check that, mom? Solar ka iyo batteriga gaariga, because I did not make sense when I was explaining to them. Batteriga gaariga solar ko lagu shidan karaa. Marka panel yar baan soo iibinaynaa oo in yaro inta la eego mobilada kaliya lagu dabeeyo meelaha remote-ka ah marka tagtid aad ku dabaysan kartid. Panelka marka soo iibsano waxaad ku xiraysaa batteriga lagu xirayaa, batterigana gaarigood ka soo dejinaysaa. Waa inuu kaligii yahay aanu gaari ku xirnayn. Markaad ku xiraysid panelka waad arki doontaa xiradiisa sida loo rakibayo waan idin tusi doonaa. Marka waxaad ku dabaysanaysaa mobilka, laambad kaaga bixin kartaa. marka wax yar aad ku isticmaali kartid ayaad ku isticmaalaysaa sida hal laambad iyo mobilada ku charge karayso. Wonderful. So qaar is here. Sandra. Namar waxaan tusaynaa meesha solarka lagu iibiyo. So we finally got ourselves to the solar store located downtown, just up the street from the airplane. But I don't know about you guys, when you finally walk into a store, see the item you wanted, and they make you sit down, but you have to wait for their typical test run because of the no return policy here all across Somaliland. Something I just can't get used to shopping here in Somaliland. But either way, we found our item. The second item on our list to complete our package DIY solar system was this power inverter, which I was very happy to see that they have here in Somaliland. We had brought ours from Canada. I'm happy to share with you guys that it is available here and only $35. As you can see, what shocked us more is this lady who walked in with her bag full of money, ready to buy an inverter. A very ironic thought when you thought you were the most high-tech person in this store and someone from the me comes walking in asking for an inverter, ready to pay in cash. You'd be surprised, guys. You can find everything in Hargeisa. I actually brought an inverter from Canada because I thought I'd really need it. I really bought it because I wanted to get power out of my car for off-grid situations, but this works out way better because this is pretty portable. I could just take it wherever I want. The inverter's small. I'll show you a little package of that. And yeah, join us. We're gonna go head to our neighbor's house and see what he can do and put together this little operation for us, inshallah. When that me lady came in, I was shocked. She just came in with her chawan, she counted all her money, and she goes, inverter ken. That's when I had my light bulb moment. Like, I brought a whole inverter from Canada. How did I not think about this? So yeah. Yeah, that was such a classic moment.
Wah, kalah ni kan makan mukti. Terlay. Anyway, how can I?
labadan buu wuxuu kula xirayaa midna halkan midna blast midna minus kan dibaddu ka yimaadaa straight solarku u gelaya ka dibaddu ka yimaada
Okay.
kan waa just to charge the phone baterigu ka qaadanaya sayfankiisa telefoonada ku charge gareynaya
Okay. It converts it from
Converts, yeah.
AC/DC, whatever. Gotcha.
بعمل كده يا رأس الأسد.
waa tanada
Testing the Danka Halal because I'm not risking my iPhone. Yeah, look at that. MashaAllah. Can you imagine this battery and that nonsense? Whatever he did to make that work, it's working.
bateriga gaariga laga rogay uu ku shaqeyn waayay weeyaan waxaan usoo gadnay hal panel iyo converterka telefoonada lagu charge garaysan karayaa bateriga panelka dusha saaran ayuu dabka ku ridayaa halkan then telefoonkaad ka halkanaad ka shidaysaa badhan buu gadaal ka leeyahay
Maybe amuse.
halkaas ka shidanaysaa markaasuu ku charge garaynaya
Light kina waan gashanay.
lambada xabada lambadaana ku shaqeynaya
Woohoo, we off the grid. We totally off the grid now.
for now
For now. Yeah, passion. So this is my new favorite item at the farm. Gonna make a wicked cucumber watermelon shake. Just gonna go put this in the charger, our new charger. So qaybtan isku daya. How's that for multivitamins for the day? It works.
for your off-grid life